women will be bad head. Now they fetch up number one. Number one, Omono Keke with his sister. If only if you are by Vic Baba no salo because if Baba so Moses away. If Baba ni mafi ma go again Moses away. If Baba ni mafi go again. Oh no you so we or have ma vie. Cause we kekwa okwurua wo mo. No ya tu we ari ba. You understand? Philo, you go Nigeria. Philomena. If you ask you go Nigeria, if they come, bring a telope, come on. No bring a boato. You understand? Bring a telope. Eh, no give we. Oh God. It didn't worry over the day. Eh, no give we. Why were you calling me yesterday? Okay, they call me. You just say you would have go somewhere and say you don't keep me. And I make you they call me. Calling me to do what? Mama will say, don't you ever. And that we agree number with you men talk show. What I started when I know give we more gonna. I choose my friends. Where the kind of friends may choose. I don't choose a lazy youth. I don't choose lazy man. Man will depend on woman. I don't choose that kind of man's friend. You don't ever call me again. Not come and know by again. Cause me and you not be friend. We not even settle. You understand what I'm saying? You're being your tormentor now. You get me clear now. So today, 2:30, yeah. 2:30, join my YouTube channel at, this is the YouTube, this is the link of, you know, so you never follow this link now, I'm going to go this, I go play that voice record of, I hear you are, know you are there, if you know you are the word of the voice record, which they commit on your adultery for husband house. Now, therefore, I'm going to play. You understand? Me, you know, say I'm blood day. I'm blood night day. E Monica, we lola wuwe, or where wala howe. Uwe, wala ma howe, undo vembo. Lola your own friend, or wala ma howe, undo vembo yo. Wo hang we ya vembo. Or wala ma howe, anything ye bow, no more boring vin. He said you bring cause, me can cause for the accusation when they accuse you, but you couldn't move an inch. You couldn't move an inch. Kuweke yesogi. Warule ya amo ilala. Wa you work media. It's how now see all of now when they hide for fake accounts for GPC. Let me go open a secret. And for my pay show. It's 10 euro to know una the bully dog. All those bully people, all those fake GPC that is bullying people all this way. If you know you are a presenter, if you know you are a presenter, you want to know the people they bully you now when they turn your head to something. The pay show is going to continue this month. Why would they spend this so? Oh God. The wrong person to prove people secret out on public. Or the VVN with public. What is a secret? You are fooling yourself the more. If you think you come secretly to beg or to talk so that I will rest, you are fooling yourself the more because we don't start up for public. We end everything in public. We die here. We move. You'll be your tormentor now. We move. No bad comment. When I know see on this platform, Monica as well for all your children. Say me they know they watch on my talk show. Get it for the cousin. Anybody will come watch and it can't swear put. Not be miss swear that swear. And every time they talk about here. So I never go watch and gonna go watch and miss swear that swear. So when I watch, if you know you Monica fan, you can't watch, you can't cause people with the comment, good comment. You are your own and Monica cause the collect. When way they would reply, they want to reply them. If they insult you for this platform, don't reply them. Because now they don't use their hand, they collect cause. You know, agree to now. All of them agree to now. You understand? So all now for that one pitch show we right now. About this now want to call if you live quoi. You live in a swag. If you live in a swag et swag et il vit dans vieille qui un vieille don't worry, today I will open all the secret on your zege. The Ojujuma call. He called me today. And I go tell him my last laugh. When I just wait, after I do this going if he finish. Because I don't want to use the VA, because I don't promise my to say If you today, but you know today, I'm going to bring a video 2:30 and for this YouTube because my YouTube today na celebration. No, na celebration. I want to celebrate how the Ayala matter can go. Oh, be you be understanding, man. Yeah, see, okay. Now you know you're worried today. You know today. Today na me and you today. You know, God, I'm gonna forget. I'm gonna leave everything to you later. This one, if you want to measure better person name, they know they measure that name. The man they measure better person. They don't use what they call all those kind. I hear you people. You understand? So I don't use my one they call if you are by the baba. The man they use me artist. The man one use your. Yeah, he more into that in a different dimension. You understand? But today, if you not here, you are. Also, man, only use today. Later on in the evening, I can celebrate command. I can command in a different dimension. Oh God, you understand, man? Oh God, when I go, they tell me, say, be honest. Be honest. You see, some people, when you see, they know they watch you. They trust you. They know the kind of mindset where you get. You understand? But many people don't know. You see what happened to me so? Eh? Now what I sow, now they reap. Anything where you sow for this life, you must reap. If you sow bad, you go reap. If you sow good, you go reap. Sometimes something happens to you, go make you know who be your friend and who be your enemy. But many people not go know. You go they ask God, say, why me? Why me? No, not ask. Don't say why me. There's a reason for everything. In any new level, there's a new devil. Obi your time. Oh God. When I calm down, you get why. Later in the evening, I go explain. Later in the evening, in that evening, we'll go celebrate. And after celebration, we'll go talk well. And I will give them words of wisdom. One for land. You understand? Because why? You see enogi ewi. When they go someone say enogi ewi. For my own village, you understand? I'm not the sit down and watch enogi. So that's how I go do lie. I go to listen. Because you can't see what they talk, you know they make sense. If I think sense, little sense for this where you are living. Till the day when you play voice record of the village will be for calm. The princess with the there. Now she know. Enogi, give me that number. This time around me, I don't agree with the quarrel. I collect that number. I call that woman, beg that woman on her behalf. I'm on the record person. Yes, sir. I go call Enogi Afa. I don't talk to our princess. See mata. I say okay, no worry. He come out for life. He got the job like he got the happy. Now they trap me a bailala. And don't get come out for live, they call the dance, they happy. Say the bailala, so come the fuck rubber chair. They carry that in Bula, where they shook all the GPC women. These are the fuck rubber chair. You understand? My favor. Wait till you use the favor me. You don't know that bailala now my favor. Oh God. I say in any new level, there is a new devil. If you are for God, all your devil, they go fall inside ground. You feel me so? Because why? The devil belong to the ground. Now ground they go ready. When I go they match their hair. Just the way when they match GPC head. So GPC don't get new title. I go play voice record later in the evening. Because voice record Sarah. Oh Sarah. I said biso. You couldn't why miss a period. You couldn't go why miss a period. And they test you. Why is it down here voice record so? Why miss a period? Why am I saying something? Why would this man? They don't get we on here. How can you be in Europe in this kind of time? You are still celebrating a week at this kind of time, this kind of modern age, where you will get €5, you will go to Africa shop, go buy a week, a man with three children, you go see they celebrate a week. It's an error. That is an upside down arrangement. As your wife Bonso, you know how much enter the house, you know how much social will give you for kidda vagin. When I go to buy vagin, when I go to the road to the three children, they go. My brother, Jesus. One more. Well, more at all. You're not the child. You're a peking. You know, you are a boy. You understand? You are of you. Of you. Oh, we are not. Yes, sir. Imanik Biaya Fe Naruta Bona. We all are women rapper. All the women for this world, we are women rapper. Because why? Now woman rapper with the cover. But that one me say the woman go sit down for top of us. They go the lick of an go, you know go fit up. Because you know they work. Woman the respect man. Where if they bold, tell her the truth, the reality. Not be the man who they take say, even yogi, go they praise woman, go they praise woman, you go they pray, you go they worship woman like they worship God. Because of what? Because of belly goes some money, some more money. You know if you both talk as a man, then they praise woman, my paddy, my mommy. Money coming, yeah. Money coming. I'm on I'm weary, and Monica weary. If you went to Zori, if you mark me correct, if you mark me correct, I call him with the Nivia of your way. Or your way, I pick up Umata. Umata water. If you come here, au fond, ils ont un saga tout est lent. Le saga no saga hogi, mana saga hogi. Your attitude, your character, language they use to follow you the deal. And they write you, and they look your story the right time till they deal with you. Your story now they write till they deal with you. Your words of mouth now they saga you. I never had my own, and they use your words of mouth till they saga you. When you don't edge, now they use the saga you. When you don't raise your shoulder, when you know see your shoulder, now you going shoulder, how you be. You be going, now you be. You understand? You want the cast type for all those women because you bleach your intestine. You are bang, I want paradigm ambushment. I want paradigm ambushment. I want paradigm ambushment. Go. Et no get we. Oh God. Et no get we. I'm here you. For this social media, now me and you. Saga continue. Yeah. It's time away. Well, la dian the gbenya we na. La dian. E carton we yan won we are full stop. Full stop anything we are one carton. About this man. Now full stop anything then you go drink. Saga continue. No ya la lohe. Uru di we. Uru di uwe no ama wa la lohe. Yes so. Ama wa la lohe. U la lohe no dey unique. U no dey portable. U ga la lohe we ya enegbe we. U ga la lohe o e no bo ya gbo e. U la lohe we ya ti vibrating ya holding. Oni be no go la lohe. Anyway, wa pe fie. We na boki pokpan. U do ye mu den. We are bad we na gbo ya olokun. Wa la Small dick, ou get the con life now. If you ever me a book there, either you see big dick or you see small. So the big one, they don't even know how to use them. You understand me? If I saw that I make a beg, you go away. Before I do one, oh gee, already. Why some way you carry that no one? If they handle your wife go to say, I know, who I say, if I know, no gay, who carry no say, who carry no say, you know, give a lady, you don't give a lady, who carry no say, you, who men, so I say, who men, Carla say, who men, if I know, who men, Yari, you, I can't even, or what, Otote Betty, who are gay, family, or Eva, if I know, Savalo. Nem era uma nada. Eu azul é social media. E não que bele boye. É que a disco agora é. Acabou o gua saga o kiwitiku. O gua saga tudo le. Oh God, I just do my trick. Oh. Yeah, that's the ambassador. That must is yes. So we are not very so anything. You understand? I so much thank all of you. All of you will stand by me. May God bless all of you. One love, better style. Understand? I'm gonna ya guyi, ya wari okuwe, ya kubo eti. Understand? Ari okuwe na. Understand? But enogi, ndigo mwak mahefwa. Enogi emuja efwa unde boga. Enogi emuja efwa unde momo. Enogi emuja efwa unde miogo. Dago man, igaro wesuku man. Ugamu yiwe fwa, ukin no de ye boga. Ofenga de fie boga, okiori wonwe. Enogi, uemu yiwe fwa ne, ukin no de ya me. Amegaro ne o, oloweri e o. Enogi mu ye fwa unde wi. Enogi mu ye fwa unde poroko. Enogi mu ye fwa unde 2 million. Enogi mu ye fwa unde go ne GPC liene. Uamu yiwe fwa ne, ukin no de ya me. Ofenga de ya me. Okiori bieka, enogi mu ye fwa ne, okin no de yiya. Okpan no de yiya ne riba na roke o. Enogi, one down ho. Why would this man talk to you? That won't do bari here. Master, I won't do bari mu yiwe fwa. Obi otametana. Unde wi mu yiwe fwa. Unde wi mu yiwe fwa. Enogi mu ye fwa unde wi jiwe gbagbandi. Enogi mu ye fwa unde boga gbagbandi. Enogi mu ye fwa unde poroko. Uga mu yiwe fwa. Uga fe no de yame. Enogi fe ga de yame. Okiori bieka. Oh, ouais to osume. Enogi. Yiwe tamu were no ge no jewe bo. Enogi o yewe bo ya gwa di nwina o. Uwegi o bo gwa enogi. Kwese webo na enogi o wewe nwina. Wa go ku bo le loku. Okwo no lele. Enogi, me I leave that one. Because of your wife. Because of your woman, me I leave that side. Understand? Off like me. Yari. Oh God. Enogi atama we on when I become. What you understand? I get baby. Really, I get baby. I get baby. Really, I get baby. I know they want me go. Really, I get baby. You will not be your friend. Era or your navy if you go. Akpa wo de toro ori oni vie nwa re o ate si yin a eyagbon. Akpa wo toro ori oni vie nwa re o ate si yin a eyagbon. Biri o. Biri o. Biri agegbe. Biri agegbe o. Agegbe biri o. Biri agegbe. GPC yon bane. Biri agegbe o. Iwe mi na ya wo pako madore okin o se ne ebi nu wa te we nu wa ya o menwa ko madore okin me o se ne ebi nu wa te we nu wa ya gu menwa nu wa madore me ko ra mo nu ne egwa eni me ni na ge do ya huru me ne GPC no go me wa ya wa we se o iwe pon me ri ede gu ro me ri ere biri o biri agegbe biri o biri agegbe o enogi nu mi enwa biri agegbe enogi ehun dagbe ya do yiya no hun dagbe ya do yiya tore re uga hun da me ya de batu weye we ga hun di me ya do yiya tu re because we eto eri mo hun abolo me imegbe enogi ehun da me ya de batu. Ehun dame ya de ba GPC because a GPC iya me ti we gbu menwa mana sani me na obi understand me because e sani mega e re omu kian o enogi nu ga dan re o menu me ke na look ye ogbe awe kin ogbe agbe ogbe no pe wuwe buiku ewe okian ewe ga poru re ri di no de o no ge bonu eniyan yo be va bonu eniyan no me ke na look ye no me ke na regarder là-bas. And they got close like that. You understand what I'm saying? No? Today, I am going right now, 2:30 to this Guangguan. I hear you wa. If you know, if you are, if you know, if you be if you don't get a word, what do that? If you voice record, do you have a word? Just so, now people, I greet you now, better style. according to my brother, I don't have me, boy. Yes, so may God bless you for now abundantly. Oh God. So my people won't dance to their tune for if you need to and swear go out or one love. This is the link. If you want to join me my YouTube on my YouTube channel. Not be my TV at Feroz TV. Feroz TV. That's where I'm doing it live and direct. May God bless all of you. I understand. I have big voice record over here. If you know here, if we are here, you are. If you are back, understand. No, you are here. No, you are solid here. If you're here, it's all Baba, ni Baba. No, Gawari Kalo, Avisiaga, Mema, Avisiaga. Oh yeah, now let's go to the studio. Let's went to the studio. Yeah, my people, now so yours be. You're true right now. We are here on the. Thank you, ciao.